Welcome to our channel. Today, we are excited to show you how to prepare delicious and fluffy crepes in no time. Whether you are an aspiring chef or a kitchen novice, this simple recipe will enable you to create perfect crepes that will delight your entire family. So, put on your apron and get ready to impress your loved ones. In this video, we will guide you through each step of crepe preparation. Here's what you will learn. Necessary ingredients. We will show you the basic ingredients for making crepes, including flour, eggs, milk, sugar, and a pinch of salt. We will also provide tips on gluten-free alternatives and vegan options. Preparing the batter. Discover our tips for achieving a smooth and homogeneous crepe batter. We will explain how to avoid lumps and adjust the consistency of the batter. Cooking the crepes. Learn how to cook your crepes to perfection using a nonstick pan. We will show you how to flip the crepes without tearing them and how to achieve that beautiful golden color. Toppings and variations. We will offer a variety of sweet and savory toppings to customize your crepes. Whether it's Nutella, fresh fruits, sugar, or even eggs and cheese, there's something for everyone. Key points with examples. Speed. Making crepes takes only 15 minutes, perfect for a quick breakfast. Versatility. Crepes can be served at any time of the day, whether for breakfast, dessert, or even a light meal. Economy. With simple ingredients, you can make a delicious dish at a low cost. Benefits of watching this video. Learn an easy recipe that will impress your friends and family. Discover cooking tips that will make your life easier. Explore creative topping ideas to vary the pleasures. Call to action. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell to not miss any of our delicious recipes. Share your crepe creations using the hashtag #EasyCrepes and tag us on your social media. We can't wait to see your creations. Thank you for watching and see you soon for more delicious recipes.